This is the 21st century, and our belief 16th century, 17th century, 18th century, 19th century. This is the 21st century, my dear friends. And today I'm going to share a very interesting, very fundamental, and very powerful thing that will create lots of effect in your life. Exactly, believe me, it is the very powerful and very important thing which is I'm going to share with you. My dear friends, today I have a very powerful question, and that question is, what is the basic important thing? What is the very important thing? Skill or talent. If suppose that you have a very powerful talent, and any other person that have a skill, which is the very most important. You know, my dear friend, skill versus talent. I am going to share with you, both are important. I'm not talking about skill is important, talent is not important. Or talent also important. But remember, if two person is there and one person has talent to do any task and one person has no talent, but he want to improve his skill and he is doing work on his skill, and he is punctual, and he is a very what to say, regularity. His person has regularity, you can say consistency. So which is the most important, and which person will create lots of result in his life? Okay, so today you have to understand, if you don't have any talent on the birth, lots of people go in the depression these days. My colleagues, my villagers, my friends have a talent, born talent. What? Talent always beats. Try to understand. If you have skill power, you have willpower, you have consistency, you can definitely, you must beat that person which person has a talent. So that's why this is the very big mysterious, what to say, thing. What? Talent is not important, because talent, very few people has talent. Try to understand. Very big population in the world, very big population in India. But when you search, when you go to know about the how many person have talent, you will find very few people is there. But when you go to search how many person has successful in the world, in the India, in your family member, in your colleagues, in your villagers, in your relatives, you will find, suppose that 100% you find successful in the health, in the career, in the any field, I will give you 100% guarantee. Write down guarantee, my dear friend. Write down on the paper and pen. You will find 90% people, skillful people. only 10% talented people is working there. Only 10% people has a successful in their life. They have talent. So always remember and don't ignore yourself. If you are alive, if your breathing is going and coming and going and coming and going and coming, it means you are alive. And if you are alive, 101%, 200% responsibility to take yourself, 200% chance to become a successful person. But one thing you have to remember, change yourself. Because what is this changing? Changing is you have to develop the skill. And second question is how we can develop skill. So these days everybody has a 5G, 4G mobile, and this is the sufficient. You don't have go to any other persons. You don't have, buy any big course. Don't go to any industry, any school, any college to learn skill. Basic skill, I'm talking about basic skill. If you learned basic skill, after that if you want to know more, if you want to go to deep that skill, you go any coaching class, you buy any course, you go to another state of the India without any hesitation. How it is possible? Go. Because if your skill is gradually, if you are increasing your skill, it means exactly 100% nobody can beat you. Because competition is always on the ground level. Suppose that 100 people are starting to learn copywriting, to learn video editing, to learn network marketing, to learn digital marketing, but only 2 or 5% people are successful. You know why? Because they are learning consistently and they are implementing whatever they are learning. So gradually they are working to their self and up. They are raising up their self. So that's why it is the roadmap. And after that you can say to me, how can I earn money? Because money is very most important. So if you are learning any skill, so after learning skill, you don't think when I will perfect in this skill, that time I will start the work. No, don't go. No. It is also a very big trap, my dear friend. Very, very big trap. The trap is comfortable perfection. Lots of people think when I will be perfect, then I can start. No! Perfection is nothing. And you cannot achieve the perfection in any field without starting the task. If you learned, it means you completed only 50% work. 50% is rest. And that will also come in your life if you start without thinking, I am perfect or not perfect. If you start gradually, it is perfection. It will be also become happen. So think and don't say it is a very, very big task. No, Suppose that I'm giving to one example. There are 100 stairs, and if you want to climb, what will you do? First of all, you climb one step, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. It is doing. Once upon a time, what will be happen? Your 100 stairs you will be complete. So that's why I think this video will be also complete. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay.